What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can earn $67.74 on Flickr daily, and you don't need to post any photos and you don't need any followers on Flickr, which is really amazing. This is something quite new that I saw online and that I've actually tested out. I've done something similar with Reddit, but in this strategy, I'm just going to be using Flickr. And what's nice about Flickr and why I'm choosing Flickr is because this website has a network of 87 million people every single month, which is a lot of people, and there's 3.5 million images uploaded daily. And remember, we're not going to be posting any images ourselves, as we are actually rather going to be using Flickr to target a much wealthier audience, which means they're a lot more high converting. And this is worldwide. Anybody can do this. Age does not matter, whether you're 13, 17, 60, anybody can do this. And something also very important, I'm going to be giving you a template and a script, or a bunch of scripts that you actually need for this video. So that's important that you stick with me throughout this video so you can learn how to download that and get that for free. And this method can be part-time or full-time. It is a form of active income, so you can earn more than $67 a day if you'd like to, or you can even earn less depending on how much time you're going to put into this. So stick with me so you can learn exactly how this works and how you can replicate this strategy. Guys, my name is Jay and I'm an online entrepreneur, software and web developer from South Africa, and on this channel I teach you amazing strategies and models to make money online, to grow your online brand and to grow your online presence. So if you're interested in this kind of content, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an amazing video just like this one. But if you're ready for this value pack video, let's get straight into it. And this method's going to be all about helping other accounts on Flickr monetize their accounts, so at the same time they can earn and you will also get paid for this. So what I really like about this strategy, it's a win-win situation. Both of you are getting paid for this. And throughout this video, I'm going to teach you how to do this, what to post, the copyright scripts that you need to do this, which is super important. So it's important that you stick with me so you can get that, and then how to utilize this to convert and make the strategy work for yourself. And I'm going to be honest, I'm not here giving you free money. You've got to go out there and take action yourself to make this work. So it's important that I really want you guys to try and take action after watching this video, because I'd love it if this can work for you guys. But let's continue. So what I've actually put together for you guys right here, I've actually put together some amazing affiliate platforms or offers or opportunities that we're going to be needing throughout this method. So you'll see right here, one good one that I found is digistore24.com, which is a platform that helps small to medium businesses, online businesses, monetize their content or their products or whatever it may be. It will help them earn money through affiliates. Same thing with ClickFunnels. This is more of a ClickFunnel builder. This is one you can also promote as an affiliate, and you'll earn a lot of residual income or residual monthly income for anybody who signs up on ClickFunnels. That's one you can use. There's another one here, maxweb.com, which is another affiliate platform that helps people build affiliate businesses and monetizes their content. And you will earn by promoting this. Another great one is jvzoo.com, where you can promote products and software and courses that you can earn for promoting through your affiliate link and monetizing yourself. And then Warrior Plus, which is another amazing one. But the one that I'm going to be focusing on throughout this video is clickbank.com, which is one of the most popular ones. I know there's a lot of people that struggle to sign up with this, but what's nice about this specific product I'm going to be using in this video, you can actually find very similar products on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. So if you can't sign up on ClickBank, make sure to go check out Warrior Plus and JVZoo. And do remember, stick with me until the end, because I'm going to give you access to each little template that you need throughout this video to literally do this step by step super easily. In this script, you can literally copy and paste. You don't need to come up with anything yourself. I've already done that for you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to the affiliate marketplace, and you'll want to come to the category right here, e-business and e-marketing. And you'll see right here, if I filter by gravity, which is the top selling products on ClickBank for this niche, which means they're very high converting. You can see right here, the specific product that I'm going to be using is this one right here, the 12-minute affiliate system. Another good one to use is the super affiliate system by John Crestani, who in this course actually teaches you how to make an entire affiliate business and then get commissions on a daily basis for that, including traffic. It is a very high paid course, but he teaches you everything that you need. But I'm going to show you how you can leverage these courses and teach these accounts on Flickr and monetize these accounts on Flickr and then get paid for that. And you'll see right here, the specific product that I'm going to be using is this 12-minute affiliate system. It's not too expensive, but it's a very good course, and you will earn an average commission of $67.74 per sale, which is a really good commission. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on promote with this product. I'm going to take my account nickname and put that here so I can get my hop link. This means when people click on this link and they make a sale, you're going to get a commission, specifically $67.74 for that. So now that I've got my hop link, I'm going to head over to a website, bit.ly.com, where I can shorten my link and basically track the amount of clicks that it gets, which is very handy. So I'm going to do that, click on create. I'm then going to copy the short link, and for now, I'm going to paste this in a notepad right here so I can keep this for later. And you'll actually see right here, I've got an entire document that I got from John Cristani's affiliate resource page. So shout out to him. Really thanks for this. I'm going to definitely use this. It's packed with value. And he actually gives you a ton of scripts, free scripts that you can literally use, specific scripts made for Quora, Reddit, Craigslist, Tumblr, Pinterest, Flickr, DeviantArt, all the way up to Google Ads, Classmates, Pinterest ads, YouTube live streams, different scripts that you can use to convert sales online. So you'll see right here, the one I'm specifically going to be using, if I zoom out a bit here, is Flickr. So he literally gives you a little bit of information about Flickr, photos to target, the direct message scripts, and comment scripts examples that you can use to convert with this strategy. So you guys are definitely going to need this for this strategy. So what I want you to do is to get this specific document, I want you to subscribe down below with the bell on. This is a completely free document. So I'm really trying to give as much as value to you guys. All I ask is for a little bit of love in return. So subscribe down below with the bell on. Leave a comment down below saying that you've liked and subscribed, and I'll reply to your comment with the download link so you can go and get this. And again, you'll see right here, Flickr, 87 million users, 3.5 million images uploaded daily, hosts over 6 billion images, which is nearly an image per person in this world, which is a lot of images. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head back over to Flickr. You'll see right here, and there's a lot of people uploading their photos onto Flickr. Here specifically, this one with a half book, 4.6 million views. This one right here in the mist got 5.9 million views. This one right here got 1.8 million views. 7 million views on this one with food, so you can kind of get an idea of the amount of traffic that is coming onto this website. This is where we're going to come in. We're not only going to help these accounts monetize their Flickr photos, but we're also going to target people in the comments and get a lot of traffic through the comments to convert into sales. So you'll see some of these photos here, 306 comments, 769, 343, 150, 484, 299, 636. A lot of people are commenting on all of these different photos. So what we want to do is we want to reach out to people and essentially give them value. And we're not going to be promoting any spam or just randomly copying and pasting links. We actually are going to be promoting value with our scripts. And you'll see right here, if I click on the comment section of one of the photos, you'll see it will pop up like this. And what you want to do is you want to click on view all comments on the photo page. And you'll see right here, hundreds and hundreds of comments that goes on and on. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add every single person with the badge of Pro, where it says they have Pro next to the name. So I'm going to go right click, open in new tab, right click, open new tab, right click, open new tab. If I come down more, there's a couple here that I'm going to open in a new tab. Same with these two here. It's the same guy. You'll see there's more over here that you can open up in a new tab. I've got quite a lot now opened up in a new tab. And I'm going to keep these accounts here for now. And I'll show you now what we're going to do with them to earn from this. So now that I've got these open, I'm going to quickly come back to Flickr's homepage. And one other alternative thing that you can also do to this method to even earn a little bit more commission, you'll see right here again, if I click on the comments, and I can literally go and copy one of these script examples. So you'll see right here, this one right here, interesting photo. I'm going to paste this here and you'll see interesting photo. I love, let's say, something about the picture. So we can go pictures, wild animals. I don't mean to hijack the thread, but they don't want me to share this with you, which is why I'm posting in the comments. But if you're looking to find how people are really making money online and monetizing their Flickr accounts, and you have a laptop, computer, and then watch this free training, what you can do is you can then come back to this affiliate link that we made earlier in this video. We can then paste this link and click comment. But that's not the main strategy we're going to be using for this video. What I'm going to be doing is something much better than this. So you can open up all the other images or the other comments. So I'm going to click on this one as well. View all comments on the photo page, and you want to open up all the pro accounts. And why we want to do the pro accounts is because these people obviously have money. They are paying a monthly fee to be on Flickr. They are paying for Flickr because maybe they are a popular photographer. Like, let's go this guy here, Henny Fugela. If I open this up, you can see right here, he has 4K followers, he's a big network, and he's a formal photographer. So he's paying for Flickr, which means he has money to do this. And this is all a part of targeting, because we want to target a wealthier audience for this method to simply get more sales, because it's more of a highly converting audience. Remember, because there's 87 million people on this website, we want to go after the people who have the most money because we want to get our sales. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to these pro accounts. You can see right here, Reynard Pankey has very good pictures of, you can see, looks like Iceland or the Northern Lights. So a lot of snow, Antarctica kind of images, really professional imagery, and he has a very big network. So what I'm going to do is, you can actually see right here, there's a little message button. We're going to reach out and send him a nice little message to help him monetize his account so he can earn as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over to my script over here. Let me come back down to Flickr, and you'll see right here I've actually got a direct message script that you can use. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm just going to choose a photo that stands out or that I really like. So I actually like this one right here with the green Northern Lights. It's different, it stands out. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to this little message button where I'm going to reach out and help him monetize his content. So remember that message I copied, I'm going to paste that here. Subject, we can just put, or let's just go Reinhardt, we can just put his name, Reinhardt Pantke, like that, and we can put your, hey, put the guy's name, we can put Reinhardt. I really like your photos, especially the shot of the green Northern Lights. And I can also go put your, I was wondering if you're monetizing them. So I went through this online training recently, and I noticed a lot of photographers seem to be having success with it. I haven't made much money with it myself, but maybe it would help you out. And then the good stuff is around the hour mark. And then what you can do is, you can see you can put your link to your affiliate products. So I'm going to copy this link here. I'm going to come back to the Flickr page and paste this link. You can then click send. And if these people have the Flickr app on their phone, they will get a notification on their phone or their desktop, whatever platform they are on. And what you can do is you can go and message, like go through all the various different images on flickr.com on the home page, go through all the pro accounts or any account that looks really professional, that is doing well at photography, because they're obviously earning a good amount of money, such as this guy that I just reached out to. Same with this guy here with cats. There's another one here, 1.3k followers, really professional photos. Reach out to them as well and send messages. Reach out to people, maybe 5, 10, 20, 50 people a day. Do this for 6 months and you'll probably see quite a couple of sales come in. What's nice about Flickr, they're also going to get an email saying you received a message from so and so. So these people are getting hit by 3 different notifications: their desktop, mobile, and email. And you can do this again and again with all these various different pro accounts and people on Flickr. And I've yet to see any sort of restriction on how many messages you can send a day on Flickr. If you know anything about that, comment down below, because I'm not really too sure about that. I don't think there's anything, but if you have any information on that, comment down below so I can learn about that myself and share that with you guys and help anybody out who's doing this method. But if you guys want to talk to me or ask me a question directly, click the first link in the description. It's going to be a link to my private Facebook group and my Telegram message chat, where you can talk to me personally and I will help you out with any problems that you have. Also, I've got a ton of free courses right here on YouTube. I've been making money online. Right here on the screen, I've got a couple of my best playlists. So choose one of these, go have a look at some of these videos, really amazing traffic methods, and I'll see you there.